this place cool or what? Are we stopping? Are we listening? I hear the trees creaking. Do you hear them?
Yes, I hear an ambulance too.
I hear the ambulance too.
It is pretty cold up here.
It is.
That way and that way. Habitat Hollow Trail. Let's go down Habitat.
Okay, let's go down Habitat Hollow.
Let's go down this way.
Hackberry.
Let's go down this way. I don't know which one.
Well, you just choose one. There's no right or wrong answer. It's just going to be a different adventure either way.
Mommy.
Yep.
Which path do you choose to go down?
Let's go Habitat Hollow because it's got a cool hill that we're going to go over. And we don't know what's over that hill. And I love finding adventures.
Mommy, can
Yeah.
you help me?
I can.
Look at more leaves, I think.
I bet there will be lots of leaves, yes. There will be leaves everywhere.
Step and push leaves, Mommy.
Okay.
That's where these leaves and stick. Oh wait, a stick.
Nice. Good find.
We found the treasure.
We did find a treasure. Going up another hill. What's
Yeah.
going to be on the other side? I
don't know,
wonder.
maybe some leaves.
Maybe some leaves, yep. Some
Ooh,
underbrush?
Beautiful.
It is beautiful.
I
Whoa, look at this stump. They had a fire here. Do you see the black on it? See the black on it?
Stop. And one stick they got along the way.
Mm-hmm.
A stick.
You know, you have pockets you can put these things in. Mm-hmm.
Well, just like my inventory.
Just like your inventory. Let's put them in there.
Yep. I'll get this and put it in there.
Great job.
And a Play-Doh stick.
Whoa, that is a pretty cool stick. Whoa. Are you beating the drums? Yeah, do it.
Whoa! I'm slipping.
Oh my goodness, those are a lot of leaves. It's like a leaf pool. It's like a pool of leaves.
Come on, Mommy, get in.
Okay, here I come. Splash.
Here's one. An even better
I'm
stick.
stirring the leaves.
I'm gonna stir the leaves too.
Okay, stir them.
Stirring looks like this. I'm testing hills to see if there's animals in there.
You're testing them to see if there's animals in there?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Are you sticking that in the holes?
Yep.
Okay. As long as you're using that and not your finger, that's just fine.
Ooh, I need to get a little more close. Okay, I'll drop this one so I can aim it better.
Good thinking. Whoa, it went right through.
This is cracking. Woo! Now I can dig and dig. Now I can study it.
Now you can study it.
Now study the tunnel.
Okay, I'll study it.
To make
How do you study?
like this. Digging.
Digging is how you study?
Oh, I found it.
Whoa, did you break it a little bit?
Yep.
You know what studying is?
What?
Looking closely.
Yep. I'm using my stick to look closely.
You're learning about something. You're studying it. You're learning about it. You're looking closely and learning about it.
My stick is looking closely.
Yeah?
Now, Mom.
What did you learn, Stick?
Nothing.
You didn't learn anything?
No.
That's too bad.
Digging away.
Did you learn anything over here?
Yep.
What'd you learn over here?
Digging is so much fun. Not learning anything yet.
No.
Oh, I just learned something now.
Awesome.
Yep. It's called, if you dig, then you might find animals living in there. Not bad.
Rub it on the black part.
Yay!
You got Ash. Let's see it. Uh-huh. And then you can write with it. It's actually called charcoal.
Oh, it looks like fun. I wish I could go on here.
It does look like fun. You get a little bit older, you can definitely go on this. I think maybe at age 5 or so.
I can't do that.
Not yet. Not quite yet.
I
Almost.
can't do that.
You need to have a little bit longer legs. Look, you couldn't even step across this thing. This part right here, you couldn't even step across that.
Ridge trail.
Ridge trail. That sounds pretty. I think we might have gone on that one with Grandpa and Daddy when we were here last time. Pretty. Whoa!
You can jump up. The roller coaster continues.
Look at how far down it goes.
Wow, it goes up there too.
It does go up there. I hear it.
Just point.
Okay.
Pointing is how we talk.
Okay.
And sometimes we talk. We talk pretending.
Look, Alexis. Look at the Missouri River. Look at it. Oh, it stretches out that way too. Look at that way.
An arrow turn. Looks like we could go down there.
Oh, yeah.
But
We can go down here a little bit. Oh, there's railroad tracks. Come hold my hand.
railroad track?
Yeah. Like, do you see the railroad tracks down there?
Yep.
Okay, I jumped. I'm gonna have really sure footing right here, actually, because we don't want. This is not something we want to fall down. And then right beyond it is the Missouri River. And it goes off that way.
You said jump.
Okay. I jumped. Did you jump?
Yes.
Good. Whew, nice jump. Are you gonna make a flag? You got a flag. Nice work.
Well, it's falling down.
It is.
Just like autumn.
Just like autumn.
Oh, it's going up.
Mm-hmm.
It's like autumn.
It is autumn.
This is like a tree leaf.
It is a tree leaf.
A leaf.
Are they falling? The leaves are falling, just like in autumn, because it is autumn. They're still falling.
Here's my working table over here to invent a pretend stuffy Captain Toad.
Okay, invent him.
It vents behind the tree.
Okay, I'll invent. I got one part. Can you add it to your parts? And then it will become Captain Toad.
Yep, yep. And then it disappeared. I made it.
You made Captain Toad.
Yep.
Hi, Captain Toad. Hi, Alexis. I'm here to adventure with you. I love adventuring with you. Can you hold me?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yep.
Let's adventure together.
Yep. We're going back. And Bones left over from their dinner. Yuck! We have to see Critter Witter. Ooh, poop!
Yep.
We have to see what Critter Witter the coyote left behind. Look!
Oh my gosh, that's what coyote poop looks like.
Ew! Gray squirrel. A squirrel's back feet are bigger than its front feet.
Huh.
Squirrel food doesn't come in wrappers. It comes inside nuts. Her fur is soft.
Yep.
She's cute, isn't she?
She is cute. Whoa, she's soft. You're right. Whoa, this is a deer. Hi, buddy. He's soft too.
A screech owl.
Ooh, that is a cool tunnel. What's happening? Are you sleeping in this log? Aww. Are you okay? Are you being a little fox? Is this your den? What can you see, Alexis? Look out the window. See if you can find any birds.
Where is he?
He's inside there. Do you see him? Come over here. Whoa. Oh, he's the guy making the noise. Hi, bud.
Hi, buddy. Hi,
Can you see him better over here? He is a hawk and he is eating some meat. He's being fed right now. He's eating some meat. Check it out. He's trying to make sure we're not going to take his meat from him.
We're not going to take your meat from you. We're just taking a close-up of you. I told him that. I didn't tell you that.
Yeah?
Moose!
What do you see?
Moose!
Oh my goodness, there's a bald eagle in there.
A bald eagle?
Look at him up on the perch.
Hi,
He's beautiful.
Fisher is his name.
Uh-huh.
And he's a bald eagle.
Fisher and Freedom.
Fisher and Freedom.
Whoa. What do you see? Whoa, look at this guy.
Look at
You're pretty. Whoa, he's beautiful too. These are some beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this owl. It's a great horned owl, Alexis.
Oh, I see him. Oh,
He's sleeping. Alexis, he's just like our pal Blathers. He's sleeping during the day. He's sleeping during the day, just like our pal Blathers does. Probably not very well with me making noise around him. Sorry, buddy.
He's a sweet guy, isn't he?
He sure is a sweet guy.